An artist garden is a very different look from our friends at Hunkydory. This is a luxury topper kit. It has an idea sheet, as you can see here. But let me show you what all of this looks like. There are 122 foiled toppers. Now, let's get in closer, Steve, so we can really see, because as I said, this is quite different. The die cuts are foiled, as always, but you can see some of the artwork is left illustrated. This is the artist's garden, so the sketchbook idea is what's going on. Now, you are going to get the borders, as well as the words and greetings, as well as all sorts of other imagery, but it's very different. So this sheet is going to have, of course, a foiled adorable scorable to go with it, and then a printed one to go with it. Really, really pretty, very different. And I do have to tell you that Teresa has already started working with these, and she's got some wonderful ideas, so you'll see a webisode on that. Here we have a bird bath in the garden, and you can see that. And with the foiled adorable scorable, there you go. And a printed one, very pretty. Here we have a puppy in the garden in a wheelbarrow. And you can see the flowers all around. And then again, as you know, foiled and printed. Very pretty as they slide across my table. Isn't that lovely? And then we have the gardening tools, and of course the garden cat. And again, plant a little happiness, lots of love. There we go. Very pretty. And then the foiled. It's like so. You can see that foiling. I want to make sure you see that. And then the printed. Don't you love that? Very pretty for another card or the inside, however you want to use it. Now we have the set to have some drinks out on the patio in that garden. Very nice. And again, the foiled. We have the lilacs coming down, I think. And there's another one. Very pretty. And then we have the gardening watering cans. Very pretty. Love makes all things grow. Forever thinking of you. Just really nice. And again, the foiled, as you can see. And then the printed. Whoops, I guess it goes like that. And here you can see many colors are used, and that's really nice. I love the swing. Isn't that pretty? So it's going to be fun. In fact, you can see the butterflies there are also foiled. So that's nice. And of course, each of these actually has 3, and so that's a real bonus. And then the foiled piece. Whoops. I'll let you hold it like that. And then the printed piece. Really pretty. And we've got our cat back looking inside the window. An oval and a circle. Good luck. I'm so very lucky to have a friend like you. Have a lovely day. And then the foiled one, as you can see, as well as the printed one. So all of these are in an artist's garden, but I'm not done. There's more. Now we have the 8x8 paper pad, and this has 48 sheets. You're going to get 12 designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. Let me show you what those 12 are. So there you go, and more. These are double-sided, as you can see. Just really beautiful. I love the artwork. So you're getting the colored artwork in the paper pad. So that's interesting. And there you go. So as I said, you're going to get 12 designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. And a couple more to go. I think it's just nice. I hope you agree to be able to show you up close and personal what everything looks like. Okay, so those are the 12 in the Artist's Garden 8x8 paper pad, but there's more. Here is a 6x6. Now, the 6x6 has 25 designs. Wow, you're going to get 6 of each one. Now, let me show them to you. This is a good example. So as you can see, this has the artwork and has some of the flowers peeking around. And as I said, you're going to get 6 of each one. So let me just flip through these quickly because there are 25. So you can see that the greetings are included in them. Just really, really nice. And so you've got the paper or the card kit, then you can get the papers in 8x8 and you can get this artwork in 6x6. Isn't that an interesting combination? So if you love this artwork as much as I do, you just might want to get all 3. I love the cat, my favorite, although the bird bath is quite charming, and I do like, okay, well, they're really wonderful. What a sweetheart there. So some of the 6x6 have more color coming into them. Some of them have less. It just kind of depends. And there you go. We've got a couple more. 25. Wow. There you go. So we've got an artist garden, the great big pack. We've got the 8x8, and we've got the 6x6. All of them together make a wonderful artist garden from our friends at Hunkydory.